I saw this cast in the Royal Academy School's life drawing room. The original would have been a sculpture of Asklepios, who's the Greek god of healing. I assume it would have been cast a long time ago by the students and the schools from an original, which I think is in the British Museum actually. I'd seen it a couple of times and thought he was an interesting chap, and I really wanted to make him in my own way. It goes through this kind of syntax of process, I suppose, where the original is carved, and then a couple of thousand years later, I come along, take a load of photos of it, create a digital copy which is immaterial, just exists on a computer, alter it, resize it, and play with it, make it into a more geometric object, and then send it to a machine which prints it out. And I then get that printout back and remake it again by hand, or by casting it, I suppose. So bring it back into a material kind of sense again. So I'm just going to mix the materials together before I put them in a degassing chamber. The material kind of balloons to quite a size inside there. That's all the air coming out. Takes a minute or so. I just kind of swill it round so it gets in all the little crevices. Jesmonite's a lovely material, lovely white, castable, weighty material, and I think it adds a nice sense of quality to the final piece. Yeah, a lot of my work uses digital processes. I like that kind of, I suppose, the biting point between material things and processes, and the possibilities of digital making as well. It's trying to find that kind of point between the two where they kind of rub together, I suppose.